Introducing a new drug to the market is a process that takes years. From development through clinical phases to registration and final formulation. To accelerate this process as much as possible, it's crucial to expedite the approval preparation and maintain reliable processes throughout all manufacturing stages. Our Emprove program facilitates just that. It supports risk assessment and assists with developing more robust processes. The program also provides thorough documentation of our product range, our pharma raw and starting materials, including excipients, filters and single-use components, chromatography resins, and cell culture media. Let's take a look at how the Emprove program is organized. There are 3 different dossiers that support you throughout the stages of your operations: qualification, risk assessment, and optimization. The dossiers cover the latest regulatory requirements as well as industry expectations. This includes evolving regulations in the earliest stages of pharmaceutical manufacturing. The material qualification dossier addresses the fundamental properties of our products and documents the processes applied during production. It also includes analytical certificates and regulatory statements. The Quality Management Dossier supports our partners in their risk assessment efforts. It provides detailed information about the applied quality management system, the supply chain, and data on the stability of the product. The Operational Excellence Dossier offers relevant regulatory and technical information. This information helps our industry partners optimize and better manage their processes. This is how the Emprove program delivers extensive information on a range of our products, supporting our customers' qualification, risk mitigation, and process optimization efforts. The Merck Emprove program, driving confidence in your manufacturing processes and helping you speed your way through the regulatory maze.